Hello, testing, testing. All right, I think we are online. Hey, hello everyone. A Merry Christmas. Okay, a delayed one because I was just taking a break from things and on and off. I was trading, but not too much. So yep, um, coming back to the webinar to actually continue the live trading analysis and all that. So yep, let's move on. And also, yep, today is the eve of the new year. So hap- happy new year to everyone. Where yep, and then let's see if we have a better year ahead for the new year that's coming in a day's time. Okay, so yeah, this is from Singapore. So for the rest of the world, I think, I mean, for the US or the European side, mainly should be another day, or I mean, 12 hours more before you all celebrate the New Year's. Okay, I mean, it's not like totally it's too quiet. Although there is like 2 days of rest day for the market, especially for the European market. They only started off after 27 December, right? Yep. So and nevertheless, the yep. I will just be going through briefly what has happened last week, a very quick review, what trade I've done and all that, then the calendars, and then yeah, coming for I mean for the coming week, let's see what analysis I do have. Okay, so let me toggle back to the chart. Okay, so okay, maybe before that is on the calendar. So right now you can see this is the calendar, the Forex Factory calendar. So for Monday, almost all I would say all the markets are closed. So yeah, you can also go for a break or go for a lay back day. Okay, so or let's say if you want to do something, maybe you can plan what are your goals, or I mean even for today you can also plan what are your goals moving forward for the new year, and yeah, be it for forex or be it for your personal one. Okay, so take these 1 to 2 days as a break away from what you are usually doing, and yeah, do something, do some planning for your next year. Okay, and hopefully it is a good year ahead. Okay, then for Tuesday, some of the market are closed, like the New Zealand, the Japan side, and then also for the Switzerland. Okay, so yeah, Japan, they do have quite a long holiday until Wednesday itself. Okay, so but then for the European, for the US side, which mainly has the bulk of the volume for the forex market, they will be open on Tuesday itself. But as you can see, the news side, there isn't much of a news except for like yeah, for the manufacturing PMI, which is on Wednesday, and then of course the Nova payroll on Friday itself. Okay, so there's this so-called pre-Nova payroll on Thursday, and then the main thing lah, or the main highlight is on Friday itself. Then the FOMC meeting minute, unless there's something special that he who is the Powell lah, okay, he has something special to say. If not, I don't think there will be much movement on the forex. I mean for the USD. Yep, on Thursday morning Singapore time. Okay, so that's on the calendar. So just take note of this few events that's coming out for the next week. Okay, so pretty light week. Considering that Monday, Tuesday, or rather Monday is a holiday, so it's quite a short week, 3.5 or 4 days week. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. And all right, so yeah, this is the USD chart. So for last week wise, I was mainly on trading on scalping the Euro USD. It wasn't that nice to scalp on the what you call that on Friday itself, because it was quite up and down here and there. Especially if you go down to the low time frame, you can see that one moment is up, the other moment is down, up and down. Okay, so that is on the Euro USD. Then what I actually wanted to just bring across the stuff is that for this whole year, and then basically for the whole year, you can see that okay, these are some. Okay, so basically, if you don't know, I mean, I've brought this out quite a number of times. This is actually not the main chart that I was using for my own analysis, more of like just for the purpose of sharing online. So anyway, the as you can see from the start of the year 2023, right, you can see it has been quite in this range that you can identify over here. Okay, so of course this is these are the outlier movement. If not, basically it is just moving in this range from 105.50 to 101. Okay, so within this range. Okay, so coming back to full circle, it came back to this around 101 level for the USD. Okay, so anyway, for the USD, as much as you would be able to identify, I would say that for the daily time frame, it is on the downside. Then for the 4 hourly, if you were to draw a trend line over here, or rather you just look at the um, structure of the H4, is basically still on a downtrend. So what we would want to see over here is that of course for this there is some pullback that we are seeing here. So on the 1 hourly, basically this range has to break before there is a breakout of going on the higher time frame to go up. I mean to break out from here and move up on the higher time frame. So this is what you can see over here, trying to break out from the downtrend line over here. Okay, so this is on the USD, and then for last week wise, like mentioned, I have been stopping on the Euro USD, and then for the other pair that I was actually trading on is Pound Canadian. So Pound Canadian, as you can see from the chart itself, I mean, reasoning why I chose this, two things. I'm trading with the trend itself, and then you can see over here in on the horizon that I am trading on, this is to me a downtrend on the daily, and then I mean it has already broke this uptrend line and is coming down, and it has not yet break any of this trend line. Okay, so this is still I'm still biased to the downside for this. Okay, so on last week itself, for last week itself, it has break this level to go lower. So this was where you can actually go on short, and but then the thing is that I think I was short over here, quite late, or rather, I mean, you can't really tell what is it late or is it not, but in this context, it might have already moved quite significantly downwards, and after this consolidation, there's this breakout. So I was actually shorting over somewhere here, I think, and then it has been finding some base over here. So this was actually quite a signal for me to actually get out. So I did get out somewhere over here, somewhere break even, or losses some amount of money over here. But so this was why I went on short on, I think, Tuesday itself. So yeah, it bounced, and then it came back upwards over here. So after which I also did have a short over here. I think my entry was on the M15. So reason being why I still have a short, because the structure wise, H4 hasn't um, invalidate my biasness of going short. Also that it has also found a new low over here. So if you can actually go on to the line chart, it will be easier. So this was the new low, and it hasn't really break above this last H4 high. Okay, so this is where I actually was monitoring for a short position over here. So yeah, as you can see, it start to consolidate and start to have those upper week of rejection on this 1 hourly for pound cat. So after which, of course, this is what actually happened. Then this was the consolidation that happened, and yeah, so this just something. Okay, so this was the break, and this was the shot that I took, and of course it just went range bound for some time, but by then I've already took out my position. And then after which I didn't take any of this position already, because it's also on Friday, and also I didn't went back to see this chart anymore. Okay, more of like doing something else. Okay, so this is on the Powcat and where my entry were. And coming back to the USD chart. Okay, for USD, I would say that I am looking at some form of rebound, or some, yeah, or whatnot, from here on, and it should be, yeah, pulling back, maybe to retest some of these levels over here. Okay, the last level that was broke from this level. Okay, so I do think there could be, yeah, it could be finding some strength to go back up. But of course, if let's say it starts to break and go down further, I think it could be just continuing to go down on a 1 hour perspective. So it's either going up or going down. So I am still open, although I'm slightly more biased on the downside for the US dollar. Okay, so likewise for the um, Euro USD. Okay, I don't know why there's all these lines coming out. Okay, anyway, what I wanted to show is that this is just the same range that you saw on the USD chart. Okay, so this range is the same range from the start of 2023 to right now, the end of 2023. Okay, so anyway, yeah, going back. Okay, I'm not sure why this is. Okay, yeah, going back. It is still on the uptrend for the Euro USD, but I do think there is some um, correction coming in for Euro USD. So this is the trend line over here, and yeah, for this, and there's also another trend line over here. Okay, so this the two trend lines. So I would say that the Euro USD is coming back. Maybe it's coming to retest over here, and yeah, quite a pullback until this level maybe. And then if you were to go on 1 hourly, of course this is already on a more on the downside. Okay, so yeah, if you want to use a gauge, you can actually use a gauge of this trend line for you to gauge if it's turning more bullish, if it's going to break up from this downtrend line on the 1 hourly. Okay, so it's retesting back these levels, and if this is to fail, then likely it will go down to this level. Okay, over here. So yeah, for now, if you are trading on the 1 hourly, I don't think it is of higher probability to go on long on, let's say, on the M15 or H1. Okay, so more of like, if you are still bullish on the Euro USD, just wait for it to pull back before you go on the long side. Okay, so but of course, if you want to go on short, you can also go on short on this Euro USD. Okay, so for this week, I have went through on this Euro USD. I do think that there's some pullback. So yeah, I'm expecting some pullback for this Euro USD. Let's see how it plays out for the next week. And then I'm also looking at USD yen. Okay, so USD yen, I have actually put up a educational post. You can go back. I mean, you can go take a look at this way back in December 17. I posted this. Okay, so basically, trading on the USD yen and looking at how the BOJ actually intervened with this USD yen. And of course, I mean, by what they have mentioned, then it could be interfering on the yen's USD yen UJ's movement. Okay, so if you on the top down analysis, this was the higher time frame, or rather, it's the yearly trend. It has been an uptrend for the whole of the year, but then it just need a just some rumor, just some speech from the BOJ that they are trying to taper. I think was somewhere here they were saying they were trying to taper. But anyway, this is the daily time frame, and I mean, the daily time frame, and then this is the trend that I see that it is flipping to more of a downside, rather than, of course, if you are looking at it way back, it is a multi-year uptrend, but this is a quite deep correction. And for us, or for me, I'm not trading that long a time frame, so this is sufficient. This information is sufficient for me to be biased on the UJ on the short term. Let's say the 1 to 2 months, it likely should be going down. Okay, so on any pullback, I would be more biased in going on short. So as you can see over here, it has break down multiple time, and for whichever trend line you draw, it has break, and then it has consolidated a bit, and this is actually a break on the 1 hourly time frame over here for last week. I think, for last week. So this is a consolidation before it went down further. Okay, so this is the break, and yep, likely you might be able to see some consolidation again. Maybe, I'm not sure also. Because I don't have a crystal ball to see what will be happening. So maybe it will consolidate, maybe it will not, and maybe it will just go down straight, or it might consolidate before it going down again, or it might um do some major reversal, which I which I don't, I mean, never say never, but the probability might be lesser, or lower, unless BOJ announce something that is out of the, or something that surprises the market. But if not, you can see that for the 4 hourly, for the 1 hourly, for the daily time frame, it is all on the downside. So I will just focus on looking to short. I mean, if it's going to go up, then just let it retrace, just like any other time over here. Let it retrace and look for the time frame that you're trading to go on short for this. Okay, maybe on the 1 hourly. So just like last week, if the 1 hourly broke, you can actually go on short. And the previous week, the same thing. It's just that it played out over a longer horizon, which is more on the 4 hourly. This is 4 hourly retracement before it came back. Came down lower. Okay, so this is on the UJ. You can maybe also take reference on the trend line as well. When it reaches trend line, how did it react and stuff like that. And also, yeah, just keep a lookout on the UJ. And the other pair that I'm actually looking at is pound Aussies. And pound Aussies daily time frame, I do think that it is yeah, a downtrend already. Reason being, of course, this is a head and shoulder, and it has also break from this significant level. Okay, yeah, this level coming down, but it is on this slide ranging over here on the 4 hourly. Okay, although it's a still a downtrend over here. Okay, downtrend. Then you can see it is ranging over here. Then if you can go down to the 1 hourly, you can yeah, cam over here, or you can just position yourself over here to look for short on the lower time frame. Okay, so bias, yeah, is a short. So likewise, I think pound overall is pretty weak compared to the other commodity. I mean commodity currency like pound Aussies, New Zealand dollar as well, then pound CAD, which I mentioned earlier, where I took short. So yeah, you can see that the pattern or the behavior of the characteristic is pretty much the same. You see, it's starting to go on a range, and this is for pound Aussies, it has already started ranging as compared to the pound cat. Okay, so pound cat. Okay, so yep, can look for short over here, although you're playing in the range. So yep, try to get your shots as high as possible. Play this range until it broke out either way. Okay, of course, my bias is for it to break down lower. Okay, so yep, uptrend coming down. This is already a downtrend to speak of. Okay. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to share for this week, and then yeah, have a happy new year and all the best for the new year, and see you all next week. Bye bye.